Alright, we've been waiting for like 15 minutes for this retard to come out of the woods. He doesn't know we left. And we're just sitting here waiting for him. Oh my god, it's like black on here.
I hear him shooting.
You hear him shooting?
Yeah.
I don't even see him, so. Random birds flying around like crazy.
How long have you been away? Like 30 minutes?
For like 20 minutes. I just seen him walking, but I seen his head. Should we go up there?
I don't know.
Or keep waiting?
I think it's gone.
Well, he's probably getting all the stuff off the ground.
Yeah. It'll take a while.
Why is there a random car over there? Oh, bird, get it, oh, another bird. Fight. Oh, whatever. Oh, I got this one on the camera. Oh, another one. Oh my god. Alright, oh my, that was close. That was actually pretty close. Yeah, still don't see him.
I think he might be dead.
No, I just seen him walking. He's not dead.
He could have snapped his neck
Oh.
and just started bleeding out when we can't hear him yelling.
Ah!
It is possible.
Okay, whatever you say. Dude, I'm like so good at capturing this bird on camera. Like I got him. Like where's he at? Here he is. Oh my god, this guy's pretty fast. All right. Stop recording. We got Dizzy. No, we're not gonna go get him. He's gonna shoot us. He's got a fully loaded shotgun and pistol.
Listen here, how many times did he hit you? Like once?
Hit me once, and I hit him like 4 times.
Exactly, my finger was covering him.
You like that iPod, don't you?
Yep.
Alright.
I almost yanked out my hair, I thought it was a bug.
Truck going by. Better not come from the side. I
I
just
hear
seen
movement over there.
or over here. Now I hear dogs barking. That's not even right in the woods. There's people going by on bikes, I think.
Hey, did you hear that too?
Let's record this.
Did you hear that? Like a growl? I don't
Oh,
know.
random people.
That's not right.
What?
I'm hearing that. My phone's not on me.
Okay, it sounds like a girl dying.
Well, it was like a growling. Deep growl.
Oh, my gun just fell in my pocket.
I don't think I have my phone.
I don't think you have your phone.
No, I don't.
Alright, he's still in the woods. I don't know what to do about this kid.
I was recording for 3 minutes.
It's been going for almost 4. So we've been out here for like 25 minutes only, almost. Did you see him? Oh, I hear him. I don't see him though. Bird. Never mind.
That same dog drove around.
He's lost.
Yep. He's definitely lost.
What the heck, dude? Where is he?
I'm gonna find he's home and we're waiting for him. Like stupid sight. No, That would be really
5 minutes already.
That would be really random.
I see him.
I did
I
too.
see him way over there.
Get down, get down.
He's already seen us. He's trying to shoot at us. We won't reach that far.
Oh, yeah, well, 50 yards.
Yeah, it's not gonna reach. It's more than, it's like 100 yards.
This is 100 yards. He's at the halfway point.
From there to where?
He's in the Bandu point, yeah.
What are you talking about?
Checkpoint for 50 yards.
What about it?
That's where he is. You can hit him.
No. I don't think one little plastic BB. I can still hear him shooting. Look at this stupid bird. Look how close they are to us. Ah, it's two of them.
There he is.
Where?
Right there.
I wonder if he's still. Is he shooting at us still? How do you zoom in on this thing? I don't think you can. Tyler, do you know how to zoom in? Finally came out of the woods. We're recording you. We've been sitting here for like a half hour. Doing nothing.
Where's my shotgun? Huh? You get it.
Nope, nope. This gun's stronger. This gun's way stronger, and you know it.
Hey, we better get my gun. This is what I'm talking about. This is why I never let you use my stuff.
I know. That's so funny. You gotta switch arms here so I can shoot him on the right arm. Pointing at me with a pistol. This is like some Call of Duty right here. It looks like Call of Duty, I swear it does. I'm getting shot at. Oh.
Hey, the bullets aren't even coming close to us. You found the other one?
I think he found the other clip.
Cam, you found the other clip? Oh, yeah.
I don't know where that's going. I don't even hear it.
Heard it.
It went way back there. $8 minutes? Why? Hold on. It looks like Call of Duty right now. I said it does. Are you out? I'm not. Hands up. Ow, my arm started to hurt. That's all.
Oh, he did the